RCB will never win the cup in my life. They'll only win after I die. When Cameroon bats, the way he bats like if he's a bowler. But when he bowls, he thinks he's a batter. That's how bad RCB is.
RCB fans who come to games injured and there's more pain tormented on them. Talk to me.
It doesn't hurt as much as losing hurts and consistently losing for a while. So
मेरी एक टांग नकली है मैं हॉकी का बहुत बड़ा खिलाड़ी था
You told me before the game that they're going to win. They didn't win, Sukumar. You're the one to blame. Come on, brother. Where did it go wrong? Yeah, be honest now. You can't keep like praising them.
We thought, our overseas batters are going to perform, but unfortunately that did not happen. Still, Siraj hit 2 sixes. We enjoyed the innings, and Lomror, he was so good. I mean, he made an impact. But our overseas batters have to perform.
They need to change the foreigners and get in Will Jacks.
And who would you replace?
Either Green or Maxwell. They're not doing anything with the bat.
Our batters they were not up to the mark. That's what caused us the match actually.
Even DK had lots of hope with DK. And the whole stadium was like, DK!
What RCB needs to do is they need to get out of their hotel rooms in the sun, practice a lot, sweat a lot, and think as a winner.
What do you tell those fans who are blindly trusting this team? And I understand that they want to support the team, but surely one point in time, everyone's going to lose their shit.
I mean, what can we do apart from trust?
The most expensive thing in the world is trust.
The RCB, it was criminal what you guys did out there. How do you lose a home game yet again? Chinnaswamy Stadium illa. Talk to me about Mayank Yadav, bro. What a sensation.
He's just doing fabulous. Last game, 156. This game, he has bowled 157, 156.7.
This is an Indian who's vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Me too.
Well done.
Me too.
Right. Oh, amazing.
I still cricket. I took 5 wickets last Sunday.
You think in 5 years' time, 2029 RCB will win a title?
they can start to compete, genuinely compete for it.
जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा ना तो आपके सारे खिड़कियां सब ठीक कर दूंगा बड़ा अभी और कितना बड़ा होगा सही
We've let go of some really, really strong players. Even when I look at Chahal and stuff, it's very sad that we let go. I love Stoinis. How did we let go of Stoinis? I don't know. We've clearly identified the right talent at the right times and then not stuck to them. I feel that's one of those disappointing things. But yeah.
Would you make any changes next game? They're playing RR away.
Not really. I think maybe get Lomror into the playing 11. Experiment a little with the impact player maybe.
We always support RCB. Like till now we are supporting, we'll support in future also.
So even if they lose all the games this season, you'll still support them?
Yes.
मैं तुम्हें जिंदगी भर प्यार करूंगा और मरते दम तक प्यार करूंगा और उसके बाद
Yeah, and we actually stayed till the last ball, which was like painful, but it was like willingly painful.
If you don't rant it, who will? You guys are the fans. Talk to me. How fucking pissed off are you?
No, it's fine.
Virat Kohli didn't score that many, did he?
22.
22, not enough. 22, not enough.
I think we should really question Glenn Maxwell's batting here.
targeting the Aussies.
कौन डालो कैप्टन रसल के अहंकार को?
Maharaj ki! You make an interesting point. However, what is your opinion on Virat Kohli's runs? Did he score enough? Yes or no?
Not today, but in the tournament, how many times could he just keep coming? But so the law of averages would catch up to him.
Law of averages is Glenn Maxwell. Likewise.
I mean, we've given him 3 good seasons and he's delivered for us. But do you think Will Jack should replace him just for the next game?
Will Jacks, new talent, interesting player, but form is temporary, class is permanent.
They do have a chance still, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, they might win.
Do you think RC will still make the top 4?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
अरे मारो इसको.
Why do you support this team?
We are just fans of it, like die-hard fans. There's no reason, even if they don't win, we'll be fans for them.
Finally from you, where do you think we'll end up on the table?
Bottom 5?
Who is your man of the match, according to you?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli, 22. He didn't do anything else.
I don't care about the score, but still he is the man of the match.
Lamron. Yeah.
Lamror.
Same.
Mayank Yadav. He was quick.
The guy with the 150.
Ken, what about you?
I mean, considering both teams, Mayank Yadav. I think he bowled
Mayank Yadav has been brilliant. 3 for 14 today, 3 for 27 yesterday. I hope so.
ಈ ಸಲ
ಬರತ್ತಾ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಖಂಡಿತ
ಖಂಡಿತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We don't lose the hope, okay?
We are the RCB fans. We never trolled the players. We never trolled anyone. So we keep supporting our team till our last breath.
Okay, super. Finally, because there's so many people watching here, everyone should say, Isala! Isala! Isala!